Unraveling the meaning of rope in, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we are going to unravel the meaning of the phrase, rope in. This is a phrase that you might come across in both written and spoken English, and it's a great one to have in your linguistic toolbox. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to enhance their English skills, stay tuned as we delve deep into understanding rope in. The phrase, rope in, is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to persuade or coerce someone into doing something, participating in an activity, or joining a group, sometimes when they may not be very willing to do so. Essentially, you are bringing them into a situation or task, much like how a cowboy might use a rope to bring in a stray cow. Example 1. Imagine your friend is organizing a surprise party and needs help with the preparations. She might say, "I need to rope in some friends to help decorate the place." Here, she wants to persuade or convince her friends to help out. Example 2. In a work scenario, a manager might say, "We need to rope in more team members to finish this project on time." This means the manager wants to bring in more people to contribute to the project, ensuring its timely completion. Now that we've understood what rope in means, let's see how we can use it in sentences. Example 1. We managed to rope in some experts to contribute to our research project. Here, rope in is used to indicate that they were able to persuade or bring in experts to help with the research project. Example 2. Can you help me rope in some volunteers for the charity event next weekend? In this sentence, rope in is used to ask for help in convincing or bringing in volunteers for an upcoming event. Rope. This word originally refers to a long, thick cord made from twisted threads. In the phrase, rope in, it metaphorically implies the action of pulling or drawing in. In. This is a preposition that, in this context, is used to denote movement toward a particular direction or place, essentially into involvement or participation. Combining these two words, we get the idiomatic expression that implies drawing someone into participation or involvement in a certain activity. Thank you so much for watching today's video on the meaning and usage of the phrase, rope in. We hope this video has been informative and that you now feel more confident using this phrase in your own conversations and writings. Don't forget to practice, as that's the best way to master any new language skill. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy learning and see you in the next video.